June Dump Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it, so keep on watching. First of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, and from here you will have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile, which is my account, from here you will have to go to June Dump, add highlights. Don't go to my story because it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go right here. If the highlights are not loading, don't worry because I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below and you can solve that problem by following that YouTube tutorial. Tap until you find your desired sticker. So there we have it. Now click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, I have a YouTube tutorial in the description box below. Now you just have to go to your highlights, to your uploads, and from there you will have to choose your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you will want to add a second photo. So first of all, we will have to move this photo at the top, at the bottom, where you like it, by using your two fingers, and you will have to do a zoom in and zoom out motion. From here, to add a second photo, you will have to click on stickers from the top of the screen. Scroll down and click on this plus icon and it will get you once again to your gallery and you can choose your second photo, but I will leave it just like this for the moment. So once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here from the left bottom corner. So guys, if you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. You can also like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.